In this video, we will discuss moving the chair using the DS7 touchscreen while a handpiece is out of the holder. Warning: ensure that the patient is positioned safely before using the manual or preset chair controls. Never leave the patient unattended while the chair is in motion. Always take extra care with small children and patients with limited mobility. To stop the chair at any point during preset movement, select any chair positioning button on the foot switch or touch control. When a handpiece is lifted out of the hanger, you can access the chair movement functions by swiping up on the DS7 touchscreen. Press the directional arrows to adjust the chair. To hide the chair controls, swipe down on the touchscreen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.